Привет всем! Сейчас мы находимся в историческом заповеднике. Здесь у нас находится водопад. Здесь очень красиво. Сейчас вам покажу.
Shadows played a trick on my eyes. Creatures in my bedroom at night. Lately I have not been sleeping fine. I can't get no peace of mind. Though I could be better than I've ever been. Got friends, a family and a place to stay. Though I should be better than ever when I see my loved ones every day. I know for every laugh we share today, there'll be a teardrop later on. I know the more I have, the more I have to lose, the less I feel I've won. I've been having nightmares. I've been having nightmares. We were riding through the woods with our bikes. We got scared when it got darker at night, 'cause everyone was missing safety lights. So we tried to use a flashlight as a guide. And now I'm standing in an overcrowded train, picturing the times we had as children while the rain is pouring down the windows and the people push their way. I've seen better days. Take me back to my hometown. Take me back to my loved ones. We were kids, now we're all grown. Back in my hometown. Take me back to my hometown. Back to my loved ones. Back to my hometown. Back in my staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door. Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before. All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind at war. All the things they said to hold her back, they keep her locked inside of all the times when she's been hurt before. Her eyes are swollen as she tries to hold her tears back. Her hands are shaking and her palms are sweating as she says, I don't wanna listen to a word you say, telling me what I can become. And I've been looking forward to this day, the day I prove you right. the morning news. Doesn't work no more, but tells a lot of stories about a youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But a shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old. Smiles they fade because her daughter only visits once a month. Since she got a family of her own, it's kept the two apart. Used to have so many visitors, but now the only one is the nurse that helps her move the chair to look out at the sun. But a shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. People don't stay the same, you know. I just hope their stories will still be told.
Gabri, Gabri.
Io volevo là andare, io non so perché tu sei andato là.
Non possiamo aspettare qua dove passano le persone.
Ma chi dice tu hai sbagliato strada?
Non ho sbagliato strada.
Lui viene da questa parte?
No, qua si va.
Vieni qua, Diana. E questo fa dei cascate.
Dai, ti faccio foto.
Mamma, devi mettere questo.
No.
Io quando piove
Arriva tantissima acqua. Perché? Però poi dati
Vai. Vabbè, andiamo là. Claudio, là andiamo.
No, dai, posso stare davanti. Non è che ti va. Donna mia.
C'è un libro di Calabroni.
Dove?
Passa su, prima. Questa è prima, il libro di Calabroni.
Ma dov'è che siamo?
Vieni qua, si può uscire. Oh.
No, papà.
Muove i ginocchi.
Papà ti deve identificare. Come è bello. Non c'è papà.
Ciao, ciao papà.
Lui deve salire.
Passi sotto.
Tanto dopo si incazterà.
Bisogna fare sport.
Ecco, papà ce l'ha fatta.
Là c'è parco giochi.
Andiamo.
Andiamo.
Arriva. Riesci a sinistra.
Là c'è anche acqua.
Dopo la bocca.
Mm. Stamattina io lavoravo. Se c'è lavoro io lavoro. Se non c'è andiamo da qualche parte. Se non c'è lavoro andiamo da qualche parte. Se c'è bisogna lavorare. Mo' bambini giocano.
Marco.
Claudio, perché tu mi stai chiamando?
Aspettando?
Sì.
Ma allora sei tu che
Aspetta.
ti nascondi. Ma dove sei? Non vedo.
Guarda che bello.
Io vado subito nell'altalena. E così
Beh, andate a giocare. O volete gelato?
io non giocare, poi il
Day in, day out, it's the same road we're walking down. Same job, same town, 'cause we've been told that's the way our world goes round. Walking on the grounds we've always known, stepping on the footprints in the snow. But when it melts, the other ways will show. We're gonna make the footsteps on our own. That life can wait just for a while. That life can wait, so take that aside and just go on. It's the wrong time to surrender. Light me up and skip. You are the wrong line of my scarce life. What do you found in me? If I fall down, will you follow me into the dark, dark? If I bleed out, will you carry me into the lights, lights? Let me believe. Let me believe. Hear the strong beat of my weak heart. Is this a lie to see? You gave me last night full of bright lights, and take away my fear of falling asleep. When I fall down, will you follow me into the dark, dark? When I bleed out, will you carry me into the lights, lights? Let me
You built these walls up and I tore them down. Just say that you love me, baby. I don't care who's around. 'Cause you make me see love in a whole new way. There's just 3 words that I need you to say. See that you love me, see that you want me, see that you need me and that you care. See that you love me, see that you want me, see that you'll always be there. See that you love me. Oh, you love me, baby. Just say that you want me. See that, say that you love me. Say that you love me. Just say that you love me. Say that you love me. Just say that you love me. Say that you love me. Say that you want me. Say that you need me and that you care. Say that you love me. Say that you want me. Say that you'll always be there. Say that you love me. Just say that you love me. Just say that you love me.
They think you're a dog. Some say that I'm blind. And the biggest mistake, you think that I'm right. But I woke up out of revenge. And the tears I cry, I hold not behind my back. I fall back to
piove, mamma mia. Dai, sto vicino io con Leo, Claudio. Marco, serve mano? Mano, serve?